I'll give a brief show of front panel, back panel, and accessories of the S5860-20SQ switch. Before you begin the installation, make sure that you have the followings: anti-static bracelet, gloves, Phillips screwdriver, and be careful of the following notes. Then comes the specific steps of switch chassis installation. Step 1. Installing the mounting brackets. Secure the mounting brackets to the two sides of the switch chassis with M4 screws. Step 2. Installing floating nuts to the square hole bars of the cabinet. Determine the installation position of the floating nut and the device on the cabinet square hole bar. Ensure that the floating nuts on the left and right sides are in the same unit. And then, install the floating nuts. Step 3. Install the switch into the cabinet. Align the mounting holes of the mounting brackets with the floating nuts of the cabinet. Fasten the mounting brackets to the cabinet square holes with M6 screws. Step 4. Grounding the switch. First, remove the grounding screw on the switch. Then install the grounding cable to the switch screw. Connect one end of the grounding cable to the grounding point on the switch back panel. Secure the other end of the ground cable to the cabinet screw. Step 5. Power on the device. Use the provided power cord to connect to the device. Use the hook to fix the power cord to prevent it from falling off. Observe whether the power supplies, fans, and LED lights on the front panel of the device are normal and the green lights are on.